right, we're good? Okay. If there's anything I've learned the last couple months or been reminded of, and that is you need to celebrate the successes as they come. And I'm here to celebrate that my team and I are so appreciative of having 100 subscribers on YouTube. That is just the start of the Howie Grow a Brand community, and we've got more coming your way. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I please invite you to subscribe to our channel. You'll get notifications every time we publish an episode. But wait, there's more. If you go to edhowie.com, you can subscribe to receive the Power of 5, which is a succinct set of videos that can help you focus on simple ways to better engage your community and better show your love for those who love you. edhowie.com, subscribe, get the free Power of 5. And again, we are thankful you're part of our community. Can't wait to see what happens. We'll see you on the YouTube.